Hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something from Malaysia. This is a new one from MyKuali. This is their new Gaeng Som Penang Gaeng Som. So it's a Thai dish, but Malaysia will take foreign dishes and make them their own. So take, there's Malaysian tom yum is usually thicker than the tom yum you have in Thailand. Things like that. So I am stoked to give these a try. Here's what the packs look like. I don't know, it seems kind of like a prototype, but I don't think it is. I think this is a full release, so let me know if you can find it if you're in Malaysia. I'm gonna drop the noodles in. There we go. And these go, what, 5 to 6 minutes? 5 to 6 minutes, so there we go. So what is up with y'all? Oops. Not a lot here. Been pretty mellow. Doing my normal. It's boiling over. Oh my. Yeah. Of course, today we have little Miriam. Say hi, Mimi. Yeah. That's what we do here. It's Monday. Did you have a good weekend? Yeah? Have you got stickers? Oh, are y'all done? Oh. Miriam has completed ingestion of her applesauce pouch. She's very, very happy, ladies and gentlemen. Now what you want? What next? Huh? She enjoys a multi-course lunch. And putting stickers on her eyelids. It's a big thing she enjoys thoroughly. We went for our walk today. It was very nice. A little rainy, but she kept very dry. Actually fell asleep for a minute there. I, however, got quite drenched. But that's okay. We're both Washington natives, so getting wet isn't that big of a deal. Although, some people here will whine and complain about the rain. I don't like it just because, if we're out walking and we have a huge downpour, I'm soaked. That's the only thing I don't like about it. There's people that, just hang out at home all day and go, ow, it's raining. But generally I do like the rain. Just don't like getting too soaked. But rain or shine, we're walking. Went out this weekend and celebrated my son Andy's 14th birthday. It's actually next weekend that his birthday is, but you know how it goes. And went and did that. Went to a place called Red Robin, which is pretty popular around here, or at least there's a lot of them around here. Kind of a burger joint, kind of an Applebee's style place. Their food is, I don't know, I think the last time my wife and I have been there, in the last few times, there's always been something that's been just like, what the heck? Like, I got this, what was it? It was like a salad and this Ensenada style chicken. Well, apparently in Ensenada, they like their chicken, they take chicken and have one part of it be totally cooked and pretty good, and the other half they like to leave more on the raw side. So But, yeah. That was fun. It's about what I expected. We never like go, hey, let's go to Red Robin. They're gonna have like the best food, good quality eats, and stuff that's really exotic and interesting. That's an American food joint, you know. But yeah, easier. Everybody can figure out something that they'll eat, you know. Although the kids won't. Well, what did you eat there, Mimi? You enjoyed a couple fried dill pickle chip things, right? And then you also had, oh here, you had it with ranch, and then you found, you're a big fan of ranch. It's kind of scary. She dipped like a slice of cucumber in ranch. It was just like, never ate the cucumber, but she enjoyed the ranch. That's questionable, sweetie. I don't know. That's weird. But that's okay. Weird is good. Weird is good. Yup. Anyways, we're getting on to 10 seconds left, so I'll pan back over. And we are going to enlist the cooperation of things here and stuff. So there we are done with our time of cooking. And it's time for draining. What a drain. Cook and drain. What? And I got some things that we're gonna add in. Oh no, I gotta get more things to add. What? What have I done? What have I done, Mimi? There we go. Are you against the idea of the crispy onion? No? Okay. I'm making the noodles. You want to watch the Daniel Tiger? No, Daniel Tiger. Mimi has become very, very indecisive, which I can totally understand indecision, but sometimes it can be very, very, very disturbing how indecisive Mimi can be. Are you indecisive right now? It's okay if you are. So, you're supposed to add 380 mils boiling water. That's boiling enough. It's going to be boiling even further in a moment. And the contents of the sachet. This is a big freaking sachet of paste. MyKuali was originally a company that made paste. And then they were like, hey, we've got paste. All we need is noodles. So they got noodles and they put the paste with it, and there you go. So here's this thick Gaeng Som paste. Do you want a spoonful of paste? I don't think you do. This stuff is pretty concentrated. Yeah. Okay, that's good. And now we gotta stir it. So stirring. Okay, back on the heat while I do this. Maybe get it back up to a boil. Yeah. Smells really good. I had the cup version of this, and I don't know. I think I'm gonna like these noodles a lot better. I like cooked noodles better than steeped noodles, I've found. Once in a while there will be a steeped one that I'm like, hey, but not usually. And these are different. This is kind of a departure for their noodle. This, I believe, is a non-fried noodle. So, lower cal on that, but higher cooking time. Huh? What? You want to try the noodles, huh? You gonna want to try? Maybe, you don't know. Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Well, don't worry. You'll get to try. I'll have to cool down for you, but you will get to try. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn this off. There we go. Let's put this all up in this business. There we go. Wow. As usual, this stuff looks pretty heavy, hardcore, has a strong scent. They don't mess around when it comes to flavors. And that's just kind of a hallmark of Malaysia. There's nothing bland in Malaysia. Ooh. Broth. It's like a sour tom yum. There's definitely none of that strong lemongrass hit. There's the chili, but yeah, it's quite good. All right. Where'd it go? I keep losing things around the kitchen. There they are. So I've got some shrimp. Prawny prawn, shrimpity shrimp. And last night, my wife was kind enough to make some fried tofu. We were trying to make tofu puff, but we didn't know exactly how to do so. Or the recipe just kind of fell short, so she made some of this fried tofu. And it's really quite good. So thank you, my dear, for doing such a wonderful service to us all. For us all. Alright. And we're gonna add some. I've got some coriander here, but I want to get it in the right spot. I just wish it was lighter, you know? I always see coriander being so much lighter, and for some reason the coriander we get around here is always so dark. It's like it's been let go for way too long. It's like, pick it earlier. No? Okay. And I was thinking, because they include it with so many other things, and I thought it would go good here. I've got some crisp onion. And I'll add some of that on top for fun and added pleasure. And maybe, do we want sesame seeds? I don't know. Let's see what we got here. No, I think we're probably good. We've got a trifecta of crustacea. All right. All right, and there we go. right, well, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been... Say Mimi! No? Well, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.